Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please like, share my channel. So, what Quran says? Behold, in the creation of heavens and the earth, and the alteration of night and day, there are indeed signs for men of understanding. Today's video is acid and alkali, and we are talking about the part 2. So, what we will discuss today, what are the acids and alkalis, what is indicator, and the pH scale, neutralization. So, these are the topic which we will discuss over here. So first, I'm going to start with what is an acid. Acids are a group of chemicals that donate a proton in a reaction. You can see in the picture, we are showing you some of the acids in the picture. Now, do you know about acid? What do you know about acids? Are all acids dangerous? We have so many things like spinach, sweet, milk, organic, orange juice, grapes, yogurt, onions, apples, lemon, limes. So let's discuss some of the types of acid. So the acids can be divided into food, which is contained by the food, that is example of food that is acid, which is present in citrus food, and acid found in laboratories. We have sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid. So these are the types of acid. Now I'm going to explain what are acids. Acids are substances that have a pH below 7 and turn universal indicator yellow or orange or red. Now we'll talk about the properties of acids. An acid is a substance that releases hydrogen ion into an aqueous water solution. Acids are corrosive. They have a sour taste. They turn blue litmus paper red. They react with some metal, releasing hydrogen gas. What is a strong acid? Any acid that dissociates 100% into ions is called a strong acid. These acids are said to be corrosive as they damage other material by eating them away. They are strong acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. Now we'll talk about the weak acid. Any acid, if it does not dissociate 100%, it is a weak acid. These acids do not dissolve completely in solution and are known as weak acid. Alkali. What is an alkali? Alkalis or bases are another group of chemicals, the opposite of acids. Soap, toothpaste. We normally see that in our daily life. Now we'll talk about the types of alkalis. Alkalis are used in tablets, soaps, and detergents. Some alkalis found in laboratories: sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and ammonium solution. Now we'll talk about the properties of bases. A base is a substance that releases hydrogen oxide, hydroxide ion in an aqueous solution. They are caustic. They have a soapy, slimy feel. They turn into red litmus blue, and they have a bitter taste. So we will talk about what is strong alkalis. A strong acid or alkalis is one that is nearly or completely ionized in water. These alkalis are said to be caustic because they can burn skin, damage other material. They are strong alkalis or bases. What is weak alkali? An alkali that dissociates partially in an aqueous solution is called weak alkali. These do not dissolve completely in solution and are known as weak alkalis or weak base. Toothpaste, soap. There are many soap we are using. Indicator. An indicator is a special chemical that changes a different color in an acid or an alkali. Litmus paper and a litmus solution are example of indicators. pH scale. pH scale, P stands for power and H stands for hydrogen. pH is measure of how acidic basic water is. The range goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. pH of less than 7 indicates acidity, whereas a pH of greater than 7 indicates a base. Now here we have given you the example for the pH scale, which is started from the battery, which is 0, stomach acid 1, lemon juice 2, vinegar 3, tomato juice 4, coffee 5, milk 6, pure water 7, blood 8, baking soda 9, milk of magnesia 10, ammonia 11, soap 12, bleach 13, and sodium hydroxide solution is 14. So when we are going to discuss from 0 to 6, these are called acid, 7 is neutral, and 8 till 14, they are called as base. Neutralization, the chemical reaction between an acid and an alkali is called neutralization. When acid and alkali are being in the reactant, so they are going to make salt and water. Jazakallah for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.